Life is a do-it-yourself project. A moral story. A carpenter who was nearing retirement told his boss that he was ready to end his career and spend his time with his wife and family. He would miss his work, but he felt it was time to spend his time with the people who were important to him. His boss was saddened by this news, as this carpenter had been a good, reliable employee for many years. He asked the carpenter if he could do him a favor and build just one more house. The carpenter reluctantly conceded, even though his passion for building had faded. While he was building this last house, his normal work ethic faded and his efforts were mediocre, at best. He used inexpensive and inferior materials and cut corners wherever he could. It was a poor way to finish such a dedicated career that he once had. When the carpenter was finished, his boss came to look at the house. He gave the key to the carpenter and said, "This house is my gift to you for all of the hard work you have done for me over the years." The carpenter was astonished. What a generous gift this was to receive from his boss, but if he had known he was building a house for himself, he would have made his usual efforts to create a high-quality home. Moral of the story. The same idea applies to how you build your life. Every day that you wake up offers an opportunity for you to put your best foot forward, yet we often do mediocre work, saving the more important things for another day. Then one day, we find ourselves shocked that our lives aren't what we had hoped they would be. The house we built to live in has a lot of flaws due to a lack of effort. However, you can't go back and rebuild it in a day or two. As people say, life is a do-it-yourself project. Your attitude and choices help build the life you will live tomorrow. Build carefully. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.